How's it going? I'm Sean with Panasonic Lumix USA. I'm one of the product managers, and I'm super excited to have the GX9 here. We just released this camera. This is a kind of real successor to the GX8, but carrying a lot of the things that a lot of photographers have always wanted from the GX8 body, but then into the GX85 series, you know, kind of body design. So things like the flip 90-degree viewfinder on this, the focus lever, the fully flip articulating screen for touch interface, things like that. But then also stuff like the exposure compensation dial on this, the ability to attach, obviously, the plethora of lenses that we have in the Lumix lineup. But really keeping a lot of the attention to the photography with the system. You know, we're known as a video company, but with the GX line, it's always been that kind of street photographer's camera that really pushes what it is that we can do from different technology standpoints. So the GX9 carries the dual IS1 system that was in the GX85 and the G85. This allows us to basically work with any of the lenses that we have for dual IS, but then also still stabilizes your manual focus lenses if you're adapting them or if you're using any of our primes. But some of the coolest features that we added to this are actually really more the aesthetic capabilities for photographers. So when it comes to shooting, you know, like black and white, you know, there's a lot that you can do with just standard monochrome imagery. But one of the things that we're really striving for is that next level, how to differentiate your black and white photography from others. So we've added this new L Monochrome D color profile in this camera that also has the ability to add 3 levels of grain to that footage. And what that really provides you is this very natural looking film-like grain, since we took a lot of effort to, you know, look at a bunch of different film stocks and, you know, kind of find where the best look is going to be when you're looking for that kind of mimic. And I think one of the things that really is a big takeaway with this is that most black and white grain effect that's added from most camera manufacturers looks very patterned. It looks very inorganic. And one of the things that we strived with this is to make it look very organic actually, and look very randomized like film does. So it's added that whole extra level of shooting capability, especially for, you know, really street photography, if you're looking for that classic kind of look that you can get with it. And it all sits in this super compact, travel ready, street ready, you know, body and design that stays very unassuming, especially because, you know, if you're someone who shoots, you know, 2 1/4, you shoot square, you get the ability to have the flip out screen shoot down like this and be able to just keep your footprint super small, super compact. So the GX9 is going to ship in the March timeframe, and it's going to ship in a body lens combination with the 12 to 60 millimeter Lumix lens, and it's going to sell for $999.